Are you excited to start screening impactful films? Alright, you want to know how to use your Sunbox? Let's unpack and see what we have. In your Sunbox, you'll find blackout fabric, string, your film screen, mounting straps, your projector, an equipment bag, the remote, tripod, your JBL speaker, your solar battery, and lastly, your one and only solar panel. Alright, that's it. All unpacked. Let's get you started. First step, let's set up your solar panel. Unzip and pull up the charger. Now set up your panel by unfolding the legs at the back. Place the panel facing towards the sun and plug it into your solar battery. While we wait for the sun to do its job, charging your battery, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Let's set up your projector screen. You'll need your screen fabric and the mounting straps. These are both stretchy, which will help you to create a smooth screen surface. Loop the straps through the fabric as shown and you're ready to go. Step 3. Let's set up your blackout fabric to darken out your venue. This will make your screen stand out perfectly. Cover the windows using the string to tie up the fabric. So far so good. Step 4. Next up is your projector. Bring forward your equipment bag. Unzip and you'll find a charger for your projector. One for your speaker, a spare set of batteries, your USB with your films and an aux cable. All good. Unfold your tripod. Place your projector onto the mount and screw in carefully. Here's your number 1 rule. Always keep a hand on your projector when attaching it to your tripod. Don't let go before both screws are tight and secure. Then you can aim your projector at your screen, like this. Hit the on button on the projector and on your remote. Plug in your USB and adjust the focus. Press yes to accept the USB input. Enter the folder and you're all ready to select the movie you've chosen for today's screening. Great! Movie time! We're almost done. Step 5. Turn on your speaker and let's set up your sound system. Press the settings button on your remote and go to the Bluetooth folder. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now to link your JBL speaker, press Search Device and connect it when found. Just like this. All good. Another way is to set up your sound system manually with your aux cable by connecting the speaker and projector. You can choose whatever way you find the easiest. Step 6. Now let's bring in the solar battery and power up. Let's start with your projector. Plug in the adapter, then the charger, and connect it to your projector. Push the button to make your sun power flow, and you'll see a charge. Now do the same with your speaker. Plug in the charger connected to the speaker and turn on the power. There you go. It's charging. Alright, that's it. You've set up your Sunbox. Well done. Now all that's left to do is for you to enjoy your screening with Sunshine Cinema and spark conversation.